Okay, problem 10 is f of x equals -1/2 x minus 5. And what I know is that y equals mx plus b, and so y must equal -1/2 x take away 5. So with all that being said, what it's asking me to do is graph it. So I'm going to try to make a graph on the graph paper, like so. I think it goes a little bit higher than I probably need. Anyway, here's my graph. And the big thing on here is that in order to graph this, we need to figure out where we're going to start. And so where we're going to start is 0, -5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 0, -5. And the reason that we're going to start there is because I know that b up here, b equals 0 and then y. So there's my y. And then from there I'm going to use the slope to go down and to the left. Oh no, down to the left. Wait, it's negative, so I forget what I'm supposed to do. For negative, where are my notes? Where are my notes? It's a negative, so, hey, here it is. Okay, for a negative, I'm going to go down and to the left. So I guess I need to go further down than this. Down to the left. So here I am, and I'm going to go down 1 and over 2, right? Because it's 1/2, and down 1 and over 2, and down 1 and over 2. Uh-oh, I didn't show you that very well, did I? Okay, so that is my graph. I hope that makes sense. Down 1 and over 2. Okay, that's problem 10. Now I'm going to do problem 24. I haven't had the best luck with my phone not running out. Problem 24 says, for each pair of points, find the slope of the line containing them. Okay, so for problem 24, I'm going to need to figure out this whole piece of m equals y minus y1 and x minus x1. And what that really was m equals 4 minus 12, because over here on problem 24 you can see it's 2, 9, and 12, 4. So 4 minus 12, and then 2 minus 12. And then m equals -8 over -10. And then I'm going to divide by 2, and then I am left with -4/5. I don't think I have to graph this one. Well, maybe I do. Problem 24. For each pair of points, find the slope of the line containing them. So the slope would be down and to the left, go over 4, sorry, so go over 4 and down 5. Okay, that's problem 24. Okay, problem 48 is going to be about, let me see, problem 48. Problem 48 is y equals 2/5 x minus 5. And it's asking me to determine the slope and the y-intercept, then draw a graph. Be sure to check examples 7 and 8. So first it says to determine the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so the y-intercept the y-intercept, well, the slope is going to be, so m equals 2 over 5, and that's going to be a positive, so that's going to be up and to the right. And then the y-intercept equals, I think the y-intercept is this 0, negative, negative 4? Yeah, because it's taking, oh, I wrote the wrong problem. Did I write the, yes, I wrote the wrong problem. Okay, so now in order to graph that, I'm going to make a good graph like this. This is going smashingly my drawings for you. I don't know how people do this. Okay, so 0, 4, so 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, so 0, negative 4. And then I'm going to graph it, right? Isn't that what it says for 48? Then draw a graph. Okay, so I'm going to use this slope, and I'm going to go up and to the right. So go up 2 and over 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go up 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, whoa, that's not a very good line. But that has answered the question. And then problem 96. 96 is a word problem and pretty cray-cray. So t of x, I'm assuming, is the same as of f of x. And it's saying negative 300x plus 2400. And a couple of things that this is asking. Oh god, I gotta turn the page. So problem 96. Problem 96 is over here. So what it's saying is, what do the numbers negative 30 and 2400 signify? So negative 300, not 30, signifies y equals m. So this is m. This is the slope. So I figure that, I don't know this for sure, but I figure that's really it. So you would go down and to the left, but then this you'd have to go over 1. Okay? And then the 2400 kind of signifies 0 and 2400. And so that would be x and that would be y. And so the next part of the question is, when will the mower be 1200? And so what I figured is, I don't really know, I might not really need to graph this, but what I figured is you gotta go down 300 each time, and then each time you do that, it's 1 year. So I figure 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So it'll be $1,200 after 4 years. Hope that's right. Okay, thanks.